Ever wondered why your phone can't run that super smart AI art app? Or why some AI tools feel like they're stuck in slow motion? Imagine a giant robot that can paint masterpieces, but it's so heavy it takes forever to move. That's basically what happens with today's AI models. But here's the good news. Scientists just cracked a code to make these AI robots faster, lighter, and way more practical. Let's break down how they did it. The problem: AI models like FLUX are digital superstars. They can turn your words into stunning images, but here's the catch. They're massive. Think of them as libraries with billions of parameters. Like books containing every possible detail the model needs to generate art. Every time you ask for a picture, the AI has to dig through all those books. That's why it's slow, why it needs supercomputers, and why your phone can't handle it. Traditional fixes: they either slow things down more or make the pictures look blurry. Not great. Enter FastFLUX, the AI equivalent of a fitness trainer. Instead of making the model bigger, it's shrinking it smartly. Here's how: researchers target the heavy parts of the model, like unnecessary gears in a machine, and replace them with simpler, lightweight parts. But it's not just a random cut. They use a two-step strategy. First, they identify residual branches in the model's architecture. Think of them as extra energy-sapping components. Then they swap those out for simple linear layers, which act like shortcuts that keep the core function running smoothly. Let me break it down with an analogy. Imagine a robot with a complicated arm. Instead of rebuilding the whole arm, FastFLUX swaps the heavy gears with simpler ones, while keeping the robot's balance, the shortcut connection, to avoid falling over. This makes the robot faster without losing its stability. But here's the twist: just replacing parts could mess up the model. So they use a technique called sandwich training. It's like giving the new, simplified parts a training buddy. They fine-tune the replaced section by letting it chat with neighboring layers using a method called LoRA. This helps the model adapt smoothly, like learning a new dance move by watching your neighbors. The results: they pruned 20% of the FLUX model, like removing a whole shelf of books from a library, and still produced high-quality images. Inference speed: dramatically faster. And the best part: the model stays stable and usable on everyday devices. This isn't just about speed, it's about making powerful AI tools accessible. Whether you're a creator, a developer, or just curious, FastFLUX shows how smart engineering can turn giants into gadgets. Stay tuned for more deep dives into AI's coolest tricks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and let me know what AI topic you want to explore next. See you in the next video.